Now here's how you can forward the audio or voice message on Instagram. Let's get started. So if you check out your Instagram chats, you can see that you can hold down on the voice message, but there isn't any option to forward it. You can only reply and do some things, but you cannot really forward it. So what you cannot do, however, is to basically enable the screen recording feature, which can be found in the control center. If you can't find it, tap on the plus and add a control and find the screen recording. Essentially, you want to hold down on the screen recording and make sure that the microphone is not turned on, as you don't want to speak over it, but you just want to make sure you start the video recording. Then once the recording is going on, you can go ahead and basically play the audio message like that. Make sure you wait until it's finished so it just gets captured like that, and then just stop the video recording. Then it will be saved inside of your gallery, where you can go ahead and perform a little edit. Like you can perhaps shorten the screen recording to only include the actual voice message. So then you can even make the video smaller, like crop it to only not show the rest of the conversation, only that message right there. So you can crop it like this, and then you can share it and forward it to anyone you want. So that's basically how it works. It's pretty simple, but I wish it was a little bit more intuitive. But that's how it is. Let me know below in the comments if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials like this one, and I'm gonna catch you later.